How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the gravity trigger in Geometry Dash. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is you just head over to the triggers category, and from here, let's simply look for the gravity trigger. So it's going to be this one. So just place it to wherever you want to. Click edit object. And from here, we could edit out the object for specific players. So I'm going to activate this trigger by touching it. And then I'm going to increase the gravity to something like 2. And let's apply it to player 1. And now if we trigger this specific gravity trigger, our character will then go ahead and have this gravity applied to our character right here, as you can then see. But if I do something like decrease gravity, of course it will make our character float, something like this one. And from there, you have successfully applied the gravity trigger onto your level. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.